Tristan's gonna try to hit it. Come on.
Come here, Tristan.
Here so
Come here.
see.
Sam, come over here.
Hold on. Let go of the stick and tell everybody. Hold on. Tell everybody.
Tristan.
Here so you don't get hit. I don't want anybody to get hurt, okay?
Come here,
You
Tristan.
hold the stick and Mommy's gonna spin you around.
Trying to get this on video.
Ooh. Okay, try to hit the cat. Try to hit the cat.
Lucian couldn't do it.
All right. You want to try?
Okay.
You ready?
Okay, we have to put the mask on your face first.
We're going to put this on. Can't see, can you? We don't want you to see, okay? And then come over. I'm going to bring you closer and you try to hit the cat.
Hit the cat.
Go ahead. You found it. Can you hit it real hard? Good job. All right. It's Sam's turn. Sam's turn.
I don't.
Come on, Sam. You ready? Have you done this before?
Nope.
Okay. So let me bring you closer. Step back.
Okay, step back, Tristan, so you don't get hit with the stick.
Yay.
Good job.
Nice, strong hit.
The birthday boy's turn now.
Right.
That was excellent.
And
Ready?
then gonna be my turn.
Yep.
You don't jerk them from your brother's hand. You ask.
No, you don't want to see. Can you see?
Yeah.
All right. You hold this up
Don't
until Mommy
shoot at
gets
people.
out of the way. And I'm
Don't.
going to say
You
1,
only
2,
shoot at people's
3.
bottoms.
Whoa. Okay. Let somebody else have another turn.
That's not my turn.
You got it nice and hard. Now we got the hang of this.
Oh, I almost got it, Mommy.
You think so?
Yeah.
I
I
hope
just
this-
broke my back.
Oh, I see a tat coming down. Okay, bring it back up. Quick.
Good job. Good
2
job.
hands. All right, Lucian.
Can I have a turn again,
Let's
Mommy?
give Tristan another turn. Tristan's turn.
I didn't do a big one.
Yeah.
I know, but I think I would knock it over this time. Oh, wow.
Here's the stick.
Up to
And then I'm going to bring you back over again.
Okay, go.
Back up, back up.
Yeah, I know I go way down.
Try again. Yay.
My turn.
One more time. Try one more time.
Try one more time, hey, Tristan. Oh, he's
Can I do it now, Mommy?
It's Sam's turn.
Okay.
Okay, move back, Tristan.
Ready?
Yeah. Sam with a bat is always he's got a really strong hit.
Blindfolded, not so.
Nice hit.
That's now my
Good
turn.
job.
Can I
All right,
do
it's
it now?
Eden's turn.
My turn.
Eden's turn
Done.
next.
Nice turn. And
Okay.
then I'm doing what time? You, Mommy?
I saw that was awesome.
Good job. Okay, go closer.
Okay,
Go closer.
Tristan, move back. Tristan, move back.
Why don't you move back too? so
Whoa.
you're in the
Good
right spot.
hit.
That one goes my turn.
Why?
Wow.
It's now my turn.
Okay, you just have to step back because your brother.
Oh.
Yay! All right. Okay, everybody
the
gets
hat off.
go see what's over there.
Luther.
Go see what's in there. Tristan, go see what's in there.
What do you think? This poor hat. Put it out in the middle so everyone can see what you have. See, I put it with a Ziploc bag, and I don't know.
Hey, guys, wait a second.
I didn't have a balloon to make the mold, and so I was like, shoot, what am I going to use? What am I gonna use?
Wow, look at all that stuff.
Let me see if there's more stuff.
Look at that. Stickers.
Hey, there's stuff on
Sure, we can do that. Yeah.
It's up to you.
top hat.